What's going on, everybody? CaptTwo6 here, and today I'm going to be making a sound clip of my intakes and my newly installed front pipe. So as you all know, I put the Apexy power intake kit on last weekend, did the install video, which I'll link below. After driving for a week with the intakes on, absolutely love them. No regrets. The turbo sounds are awesome. I can hear my blow-off valve finally, so super pleased about that. And the day after, I ended up buying a front pipe off of a buddy. It was used, I don't know the brand, but he had it on his R32, and he was like, hey, it'll fit on your 33. So I went ahead and put that on, and that actually made a huge difference in power. Super pleased with that. Install was super straightforward. I put some new gaskets on, and I bought some new hardware. So overall, between the intakes and the front pipe, it's been a good week. But I want to make a video so you guys can hear and see what the intakes sound like and what the exhaust sounds like, and you guys can see for yourself. So first I got to let the car warm up, and then we're gonna go do a little splash of gas, find some roads, and go have some fun and make these videos. So stay tuned. Alright, here we are at a Japanese gas station. Obviously, we've got to put premium in. Too easy. And that's gassing up at a Japanese gas station. It's always an adventure. Gotta run and grab some breakfast at your local Japanese McDonald's. So I figure I could do a little review on McDonald's during this video. Might as well. Compared to American McDonald's, I actually prefer it. I thought they were gonna have some like off-the-wall menu items. However, sorry to burst into his bubble, but they don't. They do have teriyaki burgers and a lot of like green tea stuff, but you can see you got your doubles and even a triple down there at the bottom. They've got the McCafe items, all that good stuff. So I'm actually not a big fan of McDonald's. However, the wife told me to run and grab some breakfast, and I figured it'd be quick and easy so I can spend more time working on this video. So biggest complaint about being a GTR owner, it's got to be the lack of cup holders. So I always have to tactically figure out how I'm gonna manage to keep drinking here. Usually I just hold them, so we'll see how this goes. I'm not trying to spill coffee in my car. All right, so we got the GoPro hooked up. The first clip is gonna be inside the cabin. I put it on the passenger side because the intakes are on this side of the engine, so hopefully you can hear it a little bit better. The car is properly warmed up. There's the oil temp. So we're gonna go ahead and find some open road on a closed road, of course, and we'll go ahead and see how these things sound. Alright, so for the second clip, I mounted on the hood on the intake side, and I just pulled over and I mounted the GoPro right above the exhaust on the bumper facing down so we can hear the exhaust side and see if this front pipe made any difference. So here we go. And here's the exhaust at idle. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I think it has a deeper tone, but we'll see how the sound turns out on the computer. And overall, super pleased. Let's see if we can peek underneath. So there's the front pipe and the O2 bung that's been welded in. If I want to do a wideband, I already got the plug right there. There's my decap pipe, and then the Kakimoto cap back all the way back. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's sound check video. I try to get as many different angles and sound clips as possible so you guys could hear the car from in-cabin, from the exhaust side, the intake side. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. We'll go find out when I start editing everything. But if you like what you saw, throw me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also, if you guys are interested in seeing any more videos not related to GTR, but Japan and Okinawa specifically, let me know in the comments below. There's lots of cool things to see out here. Obviously the car shows, but the food, culture, sights to see, all sorts of stuff. Lots of cool gadgets, technology, electronics. So if there's anything you guys are interested in and you want to see specifically, comment below and I'll try to make it happen for y'all. But as far as today's video, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna wrap it up. But before I do so, check this out. Old lady just hit 154,000 kilometers. It's right about 100,000 miles, so she's getting up there, but she's still running like a champ. But it might be time to start looking at new turbos. Hint to the wife. But all right guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.